Ready?
Oh my god! There he is.
There's a frog.
I wonder if it's dead.
Dude, that thing went really...
That frog was like...
That hurt my finger when I clicked that.
Go! Go! Damn it!
That was close. That was really loud.
James, the bounty hunter.
People. Three shots. I don't think I got it closed tight enough.
It wasn't a good potato.
I guess that way.
That was awesome!
Boom!
Fire!
Wait, eat go. Oh, there it is.
Oh no, I lost it. It landed over there somewhere. I told you it was just gonna like disintegrate.
Did it skip or no, or did it go right in the water?
Well, I think half of it went in the water and then like 6 pieces skipped across the lake.
Oh my. Well, it worked.
Where'd it get you?
Like right here. Oh.